Who are the players in your Maryland medical malpractice trial? Want to know what I'm getting at here? Stay with me as I share with you this very important information. Hello, I'm Marcus Boston, and I am a medical malpractice and childbirth injury attorney practicing law in the state of Maryland, and I would like to quickly talk with you today on this very beautiful day about some of the players in your Maryland medical malpractice trial. Now, before I get too deep into this, I want to kind of jump back and give you an understanding of the two types of trials in theory that you can have when we're talking about a medical malpractice case. The first being is a bench trial, and the second being is a jury trial. Now, the quick difference between the two is that when you are talking about a jury trial, a jury is going to sit in the box and they are going to decide a lot of the factual issues in the case. Standard of care, causation, damages, things like that. That is what the jury is going to be there for in your civil medical malpractice trial. If you have a bench trial, then the judge is going to not only look at the facts, but the judge is also going to deal with the legal issues. Now, who are the players? I quickly mentioned the judge. The judge's role in a trial, assuming you're not having a bench trial, is to take care of issues of law. That's what the judge is there for. So when the attorneys have objections, the trial is going on and you hear your attorney stand up and say objection, and they begin to go back and forth making these legal arguments, that is what the judge is there for, to handle all of the legal issues that may come up, and of course to instruct the jury one way or the other. The second players that we have, or if you're having a jury trial, will be the jury. And I kind of touched on that earlier. The jury is going to sit in the box and they are going to listen to the facts. They are going to listen to the witnesses. They're going to deal with things like credibility and all of that. The factual issues that are present, that's what the jury is there for. Now, you also have other players in these types of cases. You got the person bringing the case, and that is who we call the plaintiff. And you have the person defending the case, and that will be, of course, the defendant. Both of these sides are usually represented by attorneys. In addition to these players, you also have someone who's going to be in the trial taking down everything, and that will be the court reporter. Everything that's being said back and forth with everyone, the court reporter is recording it and getting all of that down. And last but not least, usually you will have a bailiff in the courtroom also, and that bailiff is there to make sure that everything pretty much goes as planned. Courtroom safety, take care of anything that the judge may have the bailiff to do, escort the jury back and forth when they're going through deliberations. Those are some of the roles in which the bailiff will play. So why have I taken the time today to talk with you about this really important information? Because I'm giving you insight into the Maryland medical malpractice process. Maybe you're watching this video today because you are thinking of moving forward on a medical malpractice case. Maybe you have questions about what is this process going to be like, or who are the players? What am I going to be looking forward to when I get in the courtroom? That's why I'm taking the time and talking with you today about this. If you have questions about your situation, maybe you have suffered an injury and you were in the care of a doctor or a hospital, or maybe your baby has suffered an injury at birth and you would like to speak with me further, this is what I invite you to do. And remember, taking this next action costs you absolutely nothing. And what is that action? To pick up the phone and give me a call. I can be reached at 301-850-4832, or if you prefer, send me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. I answer Maryland medical malpractice, childbirth injury, and wrongful death questions just like yours all the time, and I will be happy to take some time and listen to your story. All right, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the medical malpractice and childbirth injury attorneys here at Boston Law Group, LLC. And we will see you next time. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day.